Becoming whole. A seed in the stillness, reaching for light. The spark of a journey ignites. Within the depths, the truth unfolds. A quiet voice that calls the soul. Step by step, the path is made. Shadows fall and fears cascade. Through the trials, the lessons bloom. Each step a gift dispelling gloom. Strengths and flaws, I claim them all. The rise, the stumble, the climb, the fall. I see myself unbroken whole. A tapestry stitched by the soul. I'm reaching higher, breaking through. A boundless in the sky, a brighter view. Becoming whole, becoming free. Awakening what's meant to be. A mirror reflects what's yet unseen. Potential wrapped in quiet dreams. In every flaw, a hidden flame. A call to rise, to shed the shame. I take the steps, I learn the ways. Transform the night, embrace the day. Each skill, each choice, a sacred part. The masterpiece of my own heart. I'm reaching higher, breaking through. A boundless in the sky, a brighter view. Becoming whole, becoming free. Awakening what's meant to be. The fullest life, the truest name. No goal too small, no path the same. With open hands, I mold the clay. Creating self in my own way. I'm reaching higher, breaking through. A boundless in the sky, a brighter view. Becoming whole, becoming free. Awakening what's meant to be. Step by step, I find the way. Creating life from each new day. In every breath, a world I hold. Awakening the self